So one of the unique features of immersive learning at William Peace is that this happens in and out of our classes in every single course. Immersive learning is taking knowledge into practice. It's actively applying that. And we do that at William Peace through engaged and meaningful experiences for students to be a part of in and outside of the classroom. Here at William Peace, every class is involved in immersive learning. You could take a class in anthropology, you can take a class in political science or English. You're going to be immersed in what you are learning. The beauty of our smaller class sizes is that our students are able to experience immersive learning in a collaborative way that really builds relationships. It builds a sense of belonging. It helps our students understand that the information they're taking in is something that will be carried forward into their everyday lives. It really creates a sense of community here at William Peace, where our faculty know each and every one of our students. We know them by name, we know about them. It gives us a chance to immerse into their learning and really understand their strengths and help raise them up to their potential of where they're going to be in the future.